Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter compound interest for class 8 and 9. Compound. This is the final revision before annual exam. Compound interest. Chapter name is compound interest. Today date is 01/02/21. Okay. See the question. First question. Unit test question paper from your book Innovative Math Books. Last exercise of the compound interest chapter. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 1600 for 2 years. Principal given 1600, time given 2 years, and at 5% compound interest. The first one, what are the things given here? Question number 1. Question number 1, it is given that principal given rupees 12 1600, time given means n is equal to number of years, that is 2 years. Rate given r, that is given 5% per annum compounded annually. Okay. Therefore, amount is equal to A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. You have to apply this formula as it is given compounded annually. You have to apply this formula. Principal given 1600, 1 plus rate equal to how much? 5 by 100. Time given 2 years. This will be 5 20 is 100, 1 by 20. That means 1600. This will be 21 by 20. You have to try 2 times. Now 2 0 cancel here. 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16. And 21 and 21 it is coming 4. You have to just multiply 21 into 21. After multiplication, you will get the amount. Okay. And the compound interest will be how much? Amount minus principal. Just to multiply, you will get the result. This is the amount, and amount minus principal will give the compound interest. In this way, question number 1 completed. Calculus part you have to do of your own. Okay. Question number 2, what is given? Just to see question number 2. Question number 2, it is given that find the compound interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years. For 2 years at 5%, at 10% per annum is 315. Means compound interest given, principal not given. What is the sum of money? Compound interest given how much? 315. Rupees 315, rate given 10% per annum, time given 2 years. Find the sum. So first write what are the things given here. The given compound interest given rupees 315, and n means number of year given 2 years. 2 years. Rate given 10% per annum, compounded yearly. Okay. Now amount equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. N means here number of year. Amount means what? Principal plus compound interest. Principal plus compound interest, that is given P 1 plus R equal to how much? 10 by 100 whole to the power, time given 2 years. Okay. Now compound interest given 315, keep it like this. P take that side and taking P common, this will be 11 by 10 whole square minus taking P this side, this will be minus 1 taking P common. Then you have to find out P. Then this will be 315 is equal to P 121 minus 100 by 100. Okay. Therefore P will be how much? Principal will be, this is 21, that means 100 into 315 by how much? 21. Okay. The calculus part you have to do, then you will get the sum. In this way, question number 2 completed. Calculation part left, you have to complete of your own. 315 into 100 divided by 20. This will go by 3. Try to do of your own calculation. Okay, let us go number 3. Just for final revision, I am showing the process of solving. Calculation part you have to do of your own. Principal F taken common, P is taken common. 11 whole square 121, 10 का whole square 100, 121 minus 100 taking LCM by 100. 100 multiplied and this is 21 divided. Just calculation part to do. Thank you. Next go number 3 question. Question number 3. A man borrows rupees 40,000 on compound interest from a finance company, which charges the interest 10% for the first year, 12% per annum for the second year. Find how much interest he has to pay if the compound interest is payable yearly. The first you will find out amount. After that compound interest you will get amount minus principal. A man borrows 40,000. That means principal given 40,000. First year rate given 10%. Second year rate given 12%. Okay. Okay. Let us see how to find out. Question number 3. First rate given. What is given? Principal rupees 40,000. Money borrowed from the finance company, that is 40,000. First year rate R1 given 10% per annum, and second year rate given, that is 12% per annum. Means time 2 years. And you have to find out, first of all you have to find out amount. Therefore amount is equal to P 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100. Here principal given 40,000, 1 plus R1 is how much? 10 by 100, and this is 1 plus 12 by 100. Now you see 40,000, this will be 0 0 cancel, means 11 by 10, and this one is 112 by 100. Yes or no? LCM 100. Now this will be 3 0 cancel, 1 0 2 0 3 0 cancel. What left here? 40 into 11 into 112. If you will multiply, you will get the amount. Okay, you have to do up your own. Therefore compound interest will be how much amount you will get, that amount minus principal. Principal is 40,000. Okay, amount minus 40,000. You have to subtract. Okay, after that you will get the result. This is the compound. In this question number 3 also completed. Calculus part you have to do up your own. Next number. Question number 4. Kunal invests rupees 3,000 for 3 years at the compound interest payable annually. After 1 year, if the money amount to 3240, means after 1 year amount 3240, if you subtract, you will get the interest for 1 year. Calculate the amount due at the end of 3 years. Give your answer to the nearest rupees. Just see what is given here, how to solve. First one, what is given here? In this question, principal given, number 4, principal given 3,000. Principal given rupees 3,000. Time given 3 years, no doubt, n equal to 3 years. What amount after 1 year? Amount after 1 year it becomes 3240. 3240 after 1 year. After 1 year amount becomes 3240. So from here if you subtract, then you will get simple interest. Therefore interest will be how much? Interest will be amount minus principal. As it given time 1 year, that is 3240 minus 3000. It is coming rupees 240. Rupees 240. This is the interest for 1 year. Therefore rate will be how much? 100 into SI by P into principal into time. Okay, 100 into SI you got how much? 240 by principal given 3000 time 1 year. Here 3 0 cancel, 3 8 that means 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Okay. Rate, after getting the rate, you can easily find the amount after 3 years. Now see. Therefore amount after 3 years will be A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power time 3. Principal given how much? 3,000. 1 plus rate equal to how much you got? 8%, 8 by 100 times 3. Now it will go by 4. 4 to the 4, 25. That means 3000, 27 by 25. You have to multiply 3 times. Cube given. Then 27 by 25. Now see how to calculate here. Just to see 3 into 10 into 100 into 27. Why I am breaking like that I am telling. 27 by 25. 27 by 25. 25 4 is 100. It will go by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 2. Now it is coming how much? 4 to 8 8 is 24. 24 into 27 into 27 into 27 whole divided by, so 5 into 25 125. Means calculation what I am leaving for you. You have to complete. Just to multiply, divide by 125 will give the amount after 3 years. Final amount will be this one. You have to multiply and divide. In this way, question number 4 completed. Calculation part you have to do, just process of solving I am solving. Question number 5. Last question for today class. Question number 5, you see what is given. Find the difference. Find the difference between the simple interest and compound interest on rupees 4,000. Principal given 4,000 for 2 years, time given 2 years at 10% per annum. Okay. Principal given rupees 4,000. So first write what is given here. Number 5 question, principal given rupees 4,000. Time given how much? 2 years. 2 years. And rate given 10% per annum. 10% per annum. The first one find simple interest. Simple interest formula very easy. PRT by 100. PRT by 100. Principal given 4,000. Rate given 10%. Time given 2 years by 100. 2 0 cancel here. Okay. 4 to 8. 8 into 10 into, that means 800. 4 to 800. 800. That means simple interest equal to how much? 800. Now you have to find out compound interest. Therefore, compound interest formula is what? Compound interest formula is amount minus principal. Directly you can apply. P taken common. 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power time 2 minus 1. Because amount formula is what? A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 2 minus P. P I have taken common. Principal equal to how much given? 40,000. Sorry, 4,000. 1 plus rate equal to how much? 10%. 10 by 100 whole square minus 1. Directly you can get compound interest. 4,000. This will be 0 0 cancel. 11 by 10. 121. 11 ka whole square minus 100 divided by 10 ka whole square 100. Now this 0 0 cancel. 40 into 21. How much coming? 840 rupees 840. So what is the difference between compound interest minus simple interest? Compound interest you got how much? 840. Simple interest you got how much? 800. Okay. 800. Finally you are getting rupees 40. And this is the compound difference between compound interest and simple interest. In this way 5 questions I have completed from your unit test chapter exercise. Okay. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do more sums.